Good morning, guys. It's 8 today. What's up, you guys? It's Godox Phone. What you guys been up to? Anything for questions? New anything to say? Well, wait, now you guys, I'm just heading to work, so I'll talk to you guys when I'm done work. Guys, so this afternoon we are making some craft dinner, you guys. Rachel's was sleeping. No, she's awake. I slept for a little while because I was tired this morning. So yeah, it's gonna be fun and exciting. So we're just making some mac and cheese. Craft dinner. White ones, so it's gonna be good. So that's what we're doing. There is the mac and cheese, you guys. It looks so good. Hey guys, so right now, you guys, I'm working on a secret project. I'm gonna make some of this, like a sushi go box, because my other one was gonna fall apart. So we are gonna do some pretty cool stuff. So we are making a box. We got this pretty cool. So we are working on a sushi go box. So we don't have to worry about it. So that's what I'm working on. Guys, so right now, you guys, I'm just heading to work, back to work, you guys. So that's what's going on. So right now, you guys, we gotta leave this place. So we are just hanging out. So that's what we do. Wow, that's funny. So I hope you guys enjoy this house. So if you guys do, give it a big thumbs up. I'm gonna eat some cheese strings. So good.